Hey friends, this is Atif here. Welcome to the new update on Zcash. As in my previous video, I was showing you that Zcash is breaking out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price end has also broken out this very long-term resistance of $50. Let me show you this move on the daily time frame chart. You can see that after the breakout for a few days, the price end has been accumulated above this resistance of the wedge and retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support, where it was getting rejected again and again by this resistance of $50. And finally, we have broken out this resistance. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then we can see that this $50 has been previously working at a very strong resistance here, support here. And for stable base, it has been working as support here, resistance here, and almost as support here as well. And now, after this breakout, it can be flipped into a very long-term and strong support once again. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Mana, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 17th of November, and here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone, the stop loss was below this level. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and ready to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of Zcash, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that since after the month of December 2020, when we found the support here, we had a bounce here, and since then, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. You can see that we got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And from the month of August 2022 up till the month of July 2024, the price and could not hit the resistance of the wedge because we found another resistance of a down channel. And the same support of the wedge was also breaking at the support of this channel. You can see that we got stable touch points here at the support of the wedge and channel. And finally, the price and broke out the resistance. Here, by the way, we have a quite long key support zone start from $22 and goes to $18. That had been previously working as a very strong support zone here back in the month of March 2020. And after here, from June 2023 up till here, it had been again working as a very, very strong and long-term support zone. And finally, the price and broke out the channel. And after this one rejection, the price and retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up and broke out the resistance of falling wedge pattern as well. Now, if you take a look at the target for these two breakouts from this down channel and from this wedge, then technical target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel at $80. And by the way, from $80 to $100, we have another quite long-term resistance zone that was previously working as support zone here, and resistance zone here, and resistance zone here as well. And here it was also working as a resistance. And the long-term target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.